Hi, my name's Jim Gary. Welcome to Petillopi's Garage. This video is a follow-up on my last video where I removed the left side drum, rear brake drum, which didn't take that long. It took me a good hour and a half or so. But the one on the right side was just stuck on there. And I tried everything. I tried loosening the parking brake cable till it was slack. I tried fiddling with the adjuster to try to loosen the adjuster, thinking maybe the brake shoes were just jammed against the inside of the drum. Nothing would work. I spent pretty much weeks getting around to it because I couldn't figure out how to get it off. Finally, I just decided to take a grinder to it and just cut all the way around the drum edge to take basically the top circular part of the flat part of the drum off, leaving just the ring. And that would enable me to get to the guts of the brake system and unjam it. So that's what I did. So let's see the video. Here she goes. Kaboom. It's one hell of a way to get it off. Okay, so I've got a microphone on, so I'm hoping the sound will come through a little bit better. So here's where I've cut off the half of the drum. You can see all the way around here. So what I'm going to try to do now is disassemble the brakes and see what caused it to seize up. And of course, I've ordered new shoes and a new drum and all that. So now when I grew up, all cars had drum brakes, so I'm kind of used to them. The biggest problem with them is handling the springs. But we'll see what we can do. Usually just a pair of pliers and some brute force, although I believe they sell special tools. There, that one's out. That'll help a little bit. There it is. I'll do the easy ones and then get to the hard ones. This is the lever that allows you to only adjust it the auto adjuster, just to turn the adjuster one way. So that's this wheel down here, and there's that little star wheel. This thing clicks on it so it can only turn one way. It's been a long time since I've done brake drums, but it's no easier than it was then. It's about to come. I hope. There we go. There's that one. That spring. This comes off. Now these, as I recall, you just push in on that disc. Turn it, and it should pop off. Let me try it. There it is. And this whole assembly comes out. Let's see what else we got. This comes off. So I think I need to get this spring here off. There it goes. The cost of my knuckle. This is the cable, the parking brake cable, so it pulls on this lever, it looks like. And that was slacked off, so I don't know what the deal is there. Yeah, so I've got to have to somehow get this adjuster turning. I couldn't do it from inside, from the back, but maybe I can. Because I've got to take the slack off of this thing. Ah, it is turning. Boy, it was jammed on there. Well, keep taking apart what I can and come back to that. So this other spring here. So I'm holding on to the, there she goes. That spring. The T-bolt's probably still in there. Well, she is in there, good. I'm gonna go get some spray and spray in there. This has got to be the key. WD-40, start with that. A little bit tighter. Get clamp down and try to wiggle it. Surprisingly. There it goes. Okay, so the whole thing should just slide right off now. Okay, so there she goes. I gotta disconnect the brake, parking brake somehow. Okay, there's that drum, brake, shoe. The top lever, the spring goes to the left. Now I should be able to get this shoe out. There's the connector. Is it riveted in? Holy crap. Nope, it's got a circlip. Okay. So all I have to do is get that circlip off. Shouldn't be so bad, as long as it doesn't go flying. I hate these kind that don't have little rings. There we go. Okay, got the circlip off. Now this should just come apart. Okay, we are free. Brake lever. Now the drum can come off. Ah, good God. Even only half a drum, it weighs a ton. Well, as you can see, that was quite the task to get that off. It actually took about 2 hours worth of grinding, maybe 3 hours worth of grinding, because the drum's probably a half an inch thick, 3/8 to half an inch thick, somewhere in there. So it took a lot. I think I went through 3 or 4 grinding discs to get it off. But now I can proceed, can disassemble the brake inside, and then I can, I've already ordered a new drum. It's no problem, they're available. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.